Question number 1. Who established the agriculture department now as Diwan-e-Koi? Correct answer is option A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 2. Which of the following is a major tribal group of Uttarakhand? Correct answer is option D. Tharu. Question number 3. Which country has the most entrepreneurs and the highest number of millionaires and billionaires? Correct answer is option C. United States of America. Question number 4. What is the short put weight for men and women under the under 18 category? Correct answer is option C. 5 kg men and 3 kg women. Question number 5. What is the correct formula for density? Correct answer is option C. D equal to M over V. Question number 6. When was the civil service examination introduced in India by the British? Correct answer is option A. 1854. Question number 7. What was the name of the department Diwan-e-Mehndi established by Alauddin Khilji? Correct answer is option C. Control of market price. Question number 8. What was the theme of World NGO Day 2024? Correct answer is option C. Building a sustainable future. Question number 9. Article 51 of the Indian Constitution relates to. Correct answer is option C. Promotion of international peace and security. Question number 10. Is the Yamuna River a part of the peninsular India? Correct answer is option B. No. Question number 11. When was the civil service exam started by the British in India? Correct answer is option B. 1854. Question number 12. Which department was created by Alauddin Khilji to regulate market price? Correct answer is option B. Diwan-e-Riyasat. Question number 13. What is the name of the 232-bit microprocessor developed by ISRO and SCL? Correct answer is option C. Vikram 3201. Question number 14. What is Article 51 of the Indian Constitution associated with? Correct answer is option C. International peace and security. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a peninsular river? Correct answer is option C. Yamuna. Question number 16. Which of these rivers originate from the Himalayas? Correct answer is option B. Yamuna. Question number 17. Who introduced market control measures in the Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer is option C. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 18. What is the name of India's own microprocessor series? Correct answer is option C. Vikram. Question number 19. The microprocessor Vikram 3201 and Kalpana 3201 are developed for. Correct answer is option B. Space applications. Question number 20. Which article of the Indian Constitution promotes respect for international law? Correct answer is option C. Article 51. Question number 21. Who can dissolve the Lok Sabha before its term ends? Correct answer is option B. President. Question number 22. Which schedule of the Constitution contains the list of official languages? Correct answer is option C. 8th schedule. Question number 33. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union and its territory? Correct answer is option A, part first. Question number 24. Which organ remove nitrogenous waste from the body? Correct answer is option D, kidney. Question number 25. Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? Correct answer is option D, polio. Question number 26. Which of the following is an example of chemical change? Correct answer is option C, burning of paper. Question number 27. Which process converts sugar into alcohol? Correct answer is option B, fermentation. Question number 28. Which of the following is an example of an exothermic reaction? Correct answer is option C, respiration. Question number 29. Which element is required for the synthesis of thyroxine hormone? Correct answer is option B, iodine. Question number 30. Which part of the plant cell provides shape and support? Correct answer is option C, cell wall. Question number 31. Which element is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Correct answer is option B, iron. Question number 32. What is the shortcut key to save a file in MS Excel? Correct answer is option B, Ctrl+S. Question number 33. When was Coral established at IIT Kharagpur? Correct answer is option C, March 2005. Question number 34. Who is the author of the book Out of the Box and Nobel Prize winning economist? Correct answer is option C, Abhijit Banerjee. Question number 35. The 99th Constitutional Amendment is related to? Correct answer is option C, National Judicial Appointments Commissions. Question number 36. Which dance is based on the Radha and Krishna Raslila? Correct answer is option C, Raslila dance. Question number 37. What is the expected growth in cement demand in India for the financial year 2025? Correct answer is option B, 6% to 7%. Question number 38. By default, where does the text bar appear on the Windows desktop? Correct answer is option D, bottom. Question number 39. What is India's territorial sea limit? Correct answer is option B, 12 nautical miles. Question number 40. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with languages? Correct answer is option B, 8th schedule.